Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the iconic American pop culture classic and novelty Kit Kat Klock. There's something very nostalgic about this clock. I originally bought this one 4 years ago for my partner because I secretly wanted one myself. The clock was designed by Earl Arnold in the 1930s during the height of the Great Depression, where it would pick up people's spirits with its smile, curious eyes, and wagging tail. The clock has also been featured in movies and television commercials in the past, including the original Back to the Future film. Currently, Kit Kat clocks are produced by the California Klock Company. If anyone knows why they spell clock with a K, let me know in the comments section, as I'd really be interested to know why. The clock is made from plastic, is lightweight, has a height of 15.5 inches from tail to ear, runs on 2 C-size alkaline batteries, and is reasonably quiet when running. They also come in a vast range of different colours and styles. To open up the unit to install batteries and attach the tail, push cover tab in with fingers at the base and lift up. Now attach the tail as shown. Pop the cover back on and you're good to go. When mounting your clock, use a stud finder so you're not drilling into the plaster alone. The clock will easily latch on to a regular screw or nail. Use a spirit level to line up your clock so you don't run into issues with the pendulum tail not swinging properly or the clock appearing crooked on the wall. The only issues I've had with this clock have been with the battery contacts. You may need to bend the metal contacts slightly over time to maintain good contact with the battery, or your clock may stop. Also, dust tends to build up between the eyeballs, so they may need cleaning with a cloth once in a while. I'll leave some links in the description below on where you can find these clocks and read other customer reviews. Also, I'll include a link to some troubleshooting videos from Dr. Kit Kat, which I found really helpful. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future reviews and how-to videos, that would be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and have a nice day.